a weight descends or comes down, the force that naturally acts on it is gravity, right? So things fall. We don't want to see that in weightlifting scenario. So as something descends, we're looking for one, speed down, which means that your muscles are engaged and it's not just gravity taking it down, and a controlled descent. And that's a safety tip, because if you just let a weight pull on you and fall, you can hurt yourself, actually. You're loosening essentially as the weight descends. So that's my first safety tip. Not to scare people, but unfortunately, if there's one exercise every single year that kills people in the gym, it is bench press. Having a spotter on bench press is extremely important. If you don't have a spotter, there are still ways to be safe during that barbell exercise. So looking up how to bring the bar down and kind of roll it off your body, learning how to grip the bar so that your thumbs are around the bar and not like this. There are several safety tips out there about putting like clips on the sides, but just being aware on that one. When the bar comes down, we don't want to let it drop, and just staying really engaged, just being aware on bench press. The gym is a risky place. Like, it's an important thing to know. You know, if you're starting a fitness program, you may have, not that you're going to be injured, but you might have some aches and pains the first few weeks, and that's totally normal. But listening to that, not overdoing it, not over pushing yourself so that you're, aggravating something that could be an injury. So listening to your body is probably actually maybe the number one tip I have.